Children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my need. A lonely place to be. So I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I'll live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all was happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I'll live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all was happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all.
Para George, happy 75th birthday. Alam mo kung kayo masaya at 75 ka na. Ako 70 pa lang. Dapat naman magkita pa tayo. Natatanda mo pa ba ako, Para George? Ako si kumpare mong Ed, taga Pangasinan. Sana hindi mo ko nakakalimutan. At huwag na huwag mo akong kalimutan. Kasi ilang taon tayo magkaibigan, magkumpare, at higit sa lahat, kasama sa tito. Para George. Salamat at kahit sa ganito ay nabati kita sa inyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, paring George. We love you.
Hi, sir. Happy 75th birthday. It's a privilege sa akin po na naging boss ko kayo. God bless you always, sir, and thank you for everything.
Happy 75 birthday, Sir George. Malaking pasasalamat ko, sir, na ikaw ang naging amo namin, sir, kasi mababait ka po. At sana, sir, more birthdays to come pa para marami pa po tayo mga late bloomers na makikita. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo George. Thank you for everything you've done for us and have a great year ahead. We love you. Happy birthday to the most loving husband, Papa, Lolo, and the most thoughtful brother and Tio, and the kindest and most generous big boss. Happy 75th birthday to you, George. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tio. 75th birthday. Pag-enjoy, Tio, ha. Ayaw pag sigunahon na sa problema. Kay daghan man nag-ampo. Daghan nagmahal. Sayo mi na wadag inahan, Tio. Gipulihan sa mig do ka mahal. Ang palay batasan. Salamat. Salamat kahit yun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday! May God bless you with health, wealth, and prosperity in your life. Papa.
Happy birthday, Sir George. Thank you na naging part ka ng buhay ko, ng buhay ng pamilya ko. Naalala ko pa nung nagtatrabaho ko sa PPCI na sa lahat ng endeavor ko na magsimula ako sa sales, naging boss kita, nag-mentor mo ako how to handle yung mga clients, nilid mo ako kung paano i-maintain, and nung time na I decided to resign dahil sa nahihirapan na ako na itaguyod ng aking mga anak dahil nagkasabay-sabay ng pag-aaral sa college, and I decided to go abroad. Lahat po ng suporta ibinigay mo, lahat ng tulong ibinigay mo sa akin at sa aking pamilya, and I'm truly blessed na ikaw ang naging boss ko, ikaw ang naging mentor ko, ikaw ang nag-lead sa akin, and nagsilbing father figure ko sa lahat ng aking mga problema. Sana po ay mas bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, ng kalusugan, at ng maraming apo. Happy birthday, Sir George, on your 75th birthday. Thank you and God bless po.
Hello, sir. Sir George, happy 75th birthday. Wish good health at mahabang buhay. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo, sa lahat ng prayers mo, sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa amin, sa buong pamilya ko, lalong-lalo na rin sa panganay ko. Hindi po ako nagkakaanak, hindi po ako dinisalan. Salamat sa mga dasal mo. Dalangin ko po sa Panginoong Hesus at sa Panginoon na magkaroon ka ng mahabang buhay. At sana po maligaya po kayo ngayon sa birthday mo. Yan lang po. Greetings from Siargao Island. Thank you po. At saka regards sa lahat.
Hi Lolo, happy 75th birthday. I thank you for giving us so many things like Dada. Thank you for being a very kind and loving Lolo. My gift to you is love and prayer that God will give you more years to come. Bye.
Lolo, today is your 75th birthday, your diamond jubilee. You are the rock of this family, a precious rock. Like a diamond, you are a fine, strong, and cohesive presence in our lives. You are cherished and loved today and forever. I love you, Lolo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. I made this song for you, and I also learned it. I hope you like it, Lola. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo George! Thank you.
Thank you.
More birthdays to come and blessing from Koy Koy, Chunpyo, and Kakay. Again, enjoy your day and what will you say, Be?
Happy birthday. I love you, Lolo George.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy your day, Uncle. Happy birthday.
Sir George, we are grateful that we have you as a family friend with Ma'am Lotte. I am thankful to God that Marlo had a kind and very supportive boss. May God will always bless you and continue to pour the abundance of His blessings to you and to your family. Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tio!
Nako, pabata ng pabata. Pasensya na to, hindi kami nakauwi dyan. Medyo marami pang busy pa eh. Ito nga pala si RV, malaki na. Si Ayona, si hi to Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday!
Sana masaya kasi yung birthday. And sana magkita-kita tayo soon. We love you, Lolo. Again, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ninong George! Today is your special day. Continue to be a blessing and inspiration to the people around you. Again, have many returns. God bless you, Ninong George.
Ninong George, I wish you good health, abundance of blessings, and all the best things that life can offer. Happy birthday again.
How about Kuya?
Happy birthday, Lolo George. I wish you many birthdays to come, good health, and a good life.
How about Ira?
Happy birthday, Lola George. More blissful years to come. Stay safe always.
Yay! God bless you, Ninong George. Once
It's your birthday!